Good afternoon guys. Today I will teach you how to calculate the modified internal rate of return in Excel spreadsheet. So here we can see that I have already prepared all the necessary things that we need to prepare, right? And you can see this is the question part, and based on this information we will calculate following things such as FVIF, that is the future value interest factor, and based on this factor we will calculate the future value, and then after we will use the formula of MIRR, that is the modified internal rate of return. And you can see the MIRR consists the following things, that is the total future value, and then after net cash outlay, that is initial investment, and then we will use the power sign over this value, and then after we will calculate all the component of MIRR, and I will also show you the calculation of MIRR by using the Excel function, right? So before I start to calculate all the step of MIRR, I would like to tell you a brief introduction of MIRR. Actually, the MIRR, that is the modified internal rate of return, assumes that cash flows from all the projects are reinvested at the cost of capital as opposed to the projects on IRR. The rate of return which equates the initial investment with a project terminal value, where the terminal value is the future value of the cash inflows compounded as the required rate of return, that is the opportunity cost of capital. Okay, now let's calculate the FVIF, and it can be calculated by the following formula which I am going to put here. Just follow me. Okay, so press the equal to sign and press the value 1 times 1 plus rate, that is this rate, and this rate is our reinvestment rate, not our discount rate, because this discount rate will use for calculating the PVIF, right? But here I'm going to calculate the FVIF, so we should understand that this is our the reinvestment rate. Okay, and under this concept, the reinvestment rate is equal to the discount rate, okay, in the most cases. Alright, now press the F key to absolute reference. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the power sign from your keyboard, and now click here, and now press the enter key. Alright, now for the year first, or from the year first to 5 years, the formula will change a little bit from the year 0. Okay, so click here and now press the equal to sign and press the 1 times 1 plus rate, that is this one. So click here and now press the F key to absolute reference. Now press the power sign from your keyboard, and now let's use the max function here to get the maximum period of this investment. So we have the maximum period which is 5, so I'm going to use the max function here. So let's now select from here to here. Now press the F key to absolute reference, press the close parenthesis minus, select this one, right? Because this amount is invested for next 4 years, right? In the same way, the second amount has been invested for next 3 years, and so on. Okay, so I have used the max function here and subtracted the value, this one, from the total number of period. Okay, now press the close parenthesis and now press the enter key. Alright, and now drag from here to here. Alright, okay, now for FV, just simply click this one and this one. That means the FV is the product of CF80 and FVIF. Okay, now press the enter key. Alright, now click here and drag from here to here. Alright, now let's calculate the total future value, and it can be calculated by using the SUMIF function. So tap the SUMIF function here. Okay, now for a range, select from here to here. Now press the F key to absolute reference, comma. For criteria, I'm going to use the greater sign here with 0 sign. Okay, comma. For summary, select from here to here. Now press the F key to absolute reference. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright. Similarly for NCO, let's use SUMIF function here too. Okay, so press the tab and now select from here to here for range. Okay, press the FO key to absolute reference, comma. For criteria, I'm going to use less than sign here with 0. Okay, comma. For some range, select from here to here. Now press the FO key to absolute reference. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright. Now for the final answer, we have to use this formula here. Okay, so according to this formula, we have already calculated the TFV and NCO, right? Now we have to adjust other part of this formula. Okay, so press the equal to sign, and now let's open parenthesis, and now let's select the TFV value. So this one, press the divide sign from your keyboard, and now here for NCO, you can see that the NCO value is in negative, right? But we have to get here positive, right? So we have to use the ABS function here. So I'm going to tap this one, and now select this one. Now press the close parenthesis. Now again close the close parenthesis. Now press the power sign from your keyboard. We have to add 1 divide by total number, right? So we have to use the max function here to get the maximum number, that is 5. So now select from here to here. Now press the FO key to absolute reference, right? Press the close parenthesis, right? Now again close parenthesis. Okay, and then after we have to add 1 parenthesis here, and in the last we have to add the close parenthesis here, right? Now press the subtract sign from your keyboard, and now press the value 1. Okay, and now press the enter key. Alright, we got the value of MIRR, that is 15.84. Similarly, according to the Excel function, the Excel has already MIRR function. So let's check it out. So press the equal to sign, write the MIRR, now press the tab, and for values we have to select from here to here. Okay, now press the FO key to absolute reference, comma. For finance rate means our the cost of capital rate. So you can skip the finance rate if the investment rate and the cost of capital rate are equal. Okay, but here the finance rate is equal to reinvestment rate. Yeah, so I'm going to skip it by pressing the comma. And now for the investment rate, just click here and now press the FO key to absolute reference. Now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright, as you can see that according to the Excel function, we exactly got the same answer. Alright, okay guys, so if you will change this value from 10 to any other number, suppose for I'm going to tap the 8%, you will see the effect in these two places. Okay, now press the enter key. Alright, you can see. Similarly for 1%, you can see. Alright, for 10% the same, for 20% you'll see. That means our both approach provides the same answer, and it's very easy to calculate it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for quick updates. If you have any query regarding this video or topic, you can ask me in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.